What are we baking up in the kitchen? Let's find out. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Today we're making 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. If you're not allergic to nuts, this is for you. All you need is some creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, and a cup of sugar. So 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. So let's get to it. So what we're going to do is I've done sprayed the pan. I've got my oven going. I am going to spray this bowl to make it a little bit easier for it to slide out when I get ready for it to. Makes it a lot easier. I've got a cup of peanut butter measured out. Get it in here. It also helps if you'll spray a little spray into the measuring cup and on your spoon. Makes it come out a little easier. I hope everybody's day is going well. So we got the peanut butter in there. Everybody knows I have chickens, so I got a farm fresh egg. So I'm going to crack it into a bowl to make sure everything's good with the egg, which it is. And we're just going to pour that right in there on top of the peanut butter. And then I got to measure out my sugar. Coming into the fall season where it's going to finally get cooler. I know it's been hot here in Florida. I know it has to be hot everywhere else. There's a half a cup. So it's getting into the baking season where everybody's going to be wanting cookies and desserts and stuff. And if you are running on a time crunch from work or whatever, you want to make something fast and easy and simple for your kids, for your sugar daddy or sugar mama, whatever the case may be, then this is the thing for you. So we got our cup of sugar, our cup of peanut butter, and our egg in here. And now we're just going to mix it up. Get you a little arm workout in the process. And it'll form like a little dough as you work it into this little batter. As you see, it's coming together. The egg's mixing in with the sugar and the peanut butter. You want to mix it well. I'm sure that if you had a little like blender or something, you could do it, but it's just simple to do it like this. That was my oven telling me it's ready. And then just bring this over and work better with it. My hands are clean. That's going to be too big. You're on form little balls. I try to do about 15 little balls. Sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less, depending on what size you roll them in. Oops, sorry y'all. Trying to make sure that the camera is still going. Kitchen kind of cramped because I'm to the left of me. I've got my crock pot going with the chicken bone broth on keep warm. The night before, I put on veggie scraps and some seasonings and chicken bones from fried chicken and grilled chicken bones, and I'll make a bone broth. You'll see that video when I get ready to can it and everything. So that's coming up. And to the right, I've got stuff for enchilada pasta. So I'll be doing that video. And then I got my dogs in here because my dogs smell peanut butter. And they love peanut butter. I know most dogs do. I hope y'all are enjoying our videos. And this is what you do. You just pretty much scoop up a little ball of dough, and then you just roll it with your hands into a ball. Always something to do around here. I recently did my color safe bleach. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I've made walking tacos, my version, or one of my versions. I'm always changing it up, so you might see another version coming up soon. I'm always posting coupons for like free pictures, like 8x10s. They did photo cards, like you could do birthday cards, graduation, anniversary cards, and all that at Walgreens not too long ago. Like I think it was last week or week before. In my community section of my page, my channel. So always be checking that out too. And I share pictures of like the dogs and stuff. If you remember, we got Daisy back in April, and she from the shelter, and she's a high anxiety dog. She's come a long ways. She just turned 2 the same month we got her and everything, and the shelter would not recognize her now if we were to take her back to show her off. I'm really proud of how much she's come along with us working with her. That's a little bit bigger. I have smaller hands and fingers, so my cookies end up being smaller usually, unless I do it with a cookie cutter. So I usually end up with a little bit more or smaller cookies when I do it this way. And as you see, there's more in there. Hang on, y'all. Alright, I had to get another pan, finish the balls up, and then what I'm going to do is just take a fork, gently press them down. You don't have to do this. I just like to, sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. But just like to gently press it down. Just put a little design in it. Have y'all made these cookies before? If you have, let me know in the comments. Every time I do, my friends and my hubby eats them up. My husband's baseball sons really adores them and has requested that I make them this year for the baseball season. So I guess I'll be making a lot more cookies, especially for fall ball. So we're going to finish this up. We're going to put it in the oven, a 350-degree oven, for anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on your oven. When you see that cookies are done, you pull them out and they're ready. And you can grab one then. Let them cool, remove them from the cookie sheet, put them in a storage container, and serve them up when you get ready. They're really good. When they come out of the oven, I'll bring you back to show them to you. There you have it, everybody. They are done. They just came out of the oven. They are piping hot. I am going to let them cool down before I attempt to touch them. So, but there you have it. They took maybe 8 minutes at the most. You can smell when they're ready. Especially for those that are bakers and you know peanut butter when it starts to smell like it's going to burn. So, you know. But thank you for watching today's video. Like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, share, and enjoy your cookies. God bless. I'll see you on the flip side.